In today's video, we will be making a crochet crop top. So we will need a DK weight yarn and we will need a 5mm crochet hook.
Let's begin the pattern. To begin the pattern, we will first do a slip knot. And I will be chaining till I get around 29.5 inches. So I'll keep doing the chains, and when I reach the end of the chains, I'll also try and measure it. So I'll come back and show you. So I've done the chains, so roughly this is coming around, if I show you from here, it's around 29.5 inches if you see from where I have it. So this is going to be around between small and medium. I'm a UK 8, so depending upon, just measure yourself and then do the chains accordingly. So now I'll show you how the first row will be. So the first row will be, so you go to the second chain from the hook and do a half double crochet. This is a very easy pattern just to repeat. So I'm just going to keep doing half double crochet. So to do the half double crochet, if there's anyone who doesn't know, it's yarn over, insert in the stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. So you have to keep doing this till you reach the end of the row. So it's as simple as that. You just keep doing that. So we've completed the first row with half double crochet stitches. So I'm going to chain 1 and then turn. So as I said, this is a repeat of half double crochet. So again, it's the same thing. We will keep doing each of the chains is a half double crochet stitches. So we will be doing till around 9.5 inch. So this one was 29.5 inch the length, and the breadth will be around 9.5 inch. So I will keep doing the rows till I reach 9.5 inch and come back and show you. So I have finished around roughly 9.5 inches of width. So as you can see, the top will look like this. So the next phase of the top is basically I will be doing half double crochet in both the sides, and this is just to give a different look. But for that, first what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to go and do a single crochet on this. So wherever you see a gap, you go and just do a single crochet. So it's just going to be one layer of single crochet as I mentioned, and then I'll come back and do a half double crochet layer. So I'll finish the single crochet till the end of the row and then come and show you. So I finished doing the single crochet till the end of the row, and I'm just going to go and turn and chain. So now I will be doing a half double crochet. So basically we will be doing half double crochet till we reach around 5 inch. So I'm just going to quickly show you again. So it's just going to be half double crochet till the end of the row, and then again you'll chain 1, turn, and then do half double crochet. So I will be doing this way, half double crochet for around 5 inch, and then come back and show you. So I have finished this part that I said I would do this way. So this is around 5 inches that I've done. So we'll do on both sides, and once I finish the other side, I'll come back and show you. So now I've done both the sides. I've just folded everything because I don't have enough space. So we are going to be just joining the ends. So basically what I've done is I'm going to take this part of the V and this part of the V and trying to do an invisible seam. And I also wanted to forget to mention that this is the wrong side of the yarn. So that if there's any seams, which I will obviously finish weaving in, but we will just keep doing this like this. If you see, so you'll just go here, and so it's the top part of this and the bottom part of this, and you keep, it's very simple, you just go in both of those V's and then come to the other one. So yeah, if you can see how I'm doing it. So basically I'll keep doing this. If you see, it'll be just like an invisible joint, so I will do this till the end of this and come back. So I just want to come back and show you where I'm doing the joining. So if you see the V from here and the V from here, these are the two V's, and you just pull your yarn through those two V's. Yeah, and then again you'll go from here, and so it will be this V, and this will be this V. So those two V's that are placed next to each other, and then you just pull through them. It's very simple, and this will be like an invisible join. So I will finish, as I mentioned, till here and come back. So I've joined both the sides, as you can see now. I will show you the right side. So this is the right side, and you can see it's lovely invisible seam. So this is now done. I'm just going to show you the front as well. So now we will be doing little straps on both the sides. So I will start the strap and then I'll show you how to do it. So I'm just going to roughly measure the front part. So it's coming around 17 inches. So I'm just going to keep around roughly around 2.5 inches from this side and put a stitch marker here. So I'll just put a stitch marker here, and I'll do same from that side as well. So wherever it's around 2.5, I will put another stitch marker here. So now I know where I want the straps. I'll also have to see how the width of the straps will be, so just bear me 1 second. So I was thinking I will make this strap around 1.5 inch, so I'm just going to put another stitch marker here. So roughly I want my strap to be around 1.5 inch, so I'm going to do 1.5 inch from here as well and put another stitch marker. So now I basically know where I want the straps. We'll start the straps. I'll also put a stitch marker on the back as well, so that I can measure it perfectly. So let me come back and show you how I start the strap. So I'm just going to take off this stitch marker and then turn the yarn here. This was the stitch, and I will try to secure the yarn here and do one layer of single crochets. So just gonna go here, and I've secured the yarn. Now I'm just gonna go and do a single crochet in the seam. So I'll do a single crochet in each of the stitch till I reach the other stitch marker. So I've done the first row now. I've turned and done a chain one, so we will skip the first stitch, go on the second stitch and do a single crochet, and then do a double crochet in the same stitch. So you'll skip this stitch and again go in this stitch, if you can see, and do a single crochet and a double crochet. So I'm just going to go again. So I've done the first row, so I've turned my work around. I'll do a chain 1, and then I will skip the first stitch and then go on the second stitch and do a single crochet and then do a double crochet in the same stitch. I'm going to skip the next stitch and then again go in this next stitch and do a single crochet and do a double crochet in the same stitch. So same again, skip and then go in the stitch and do a single crochet and then do a double crochet. So basically we will be doing this. So now in the last stitch we will go ahead and doing a single crochet. So we'll just do a single crochet. So this is how it's looking. So I'm going to again turn the work around and then do a turning chain, and then now we'll locate the double crochet. So this is the first double crochet, and do a single crochet and double crochet in the same stitch. So I'm just going to again skip the next stitch, the single crochet, and find the double crochet and do a single crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch. So same again, I'll find the double crochet and then do a single crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch. So now I have the last single crochet where I'll just go ahead and do a single crochet there. Be a bit difficult to do it, so I've done a single crochet. Now again I will turn and chain 1 and repeat the steps, and every double crochet we'll go ahead and do a single crochet and a double crochet. So we would need to do enough so enough so that the strap goes till here at the back of the work. It also will depend with the measurements each person has, so I'm just going to do some, measure myself and come back and show you how much I've done it. So I have done the strap, guys. I'm just going to measure it. So it's roughly around 10.5 inches long. So now what I'm going to be doing guys, is I'm just going to be attaching this strap here. So basically I will do one layer of single crochet here. So make sure this is the back side. So what we will be doing is, so I did mark the stitch here. Just going to take the stitch marker out here. I'm just going to go and first do I'll just attach the yarn now, and I'm just going to go ahead and do a single crochet. So this is the wrong side, so we won't be able to see all these stitches when we wear it, so just make sure it's always the wrong side. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and then just attaching it. So there you go. So yeah, I'll do another knot. So this, the other side, it will look like this, so you won't understand that we've attached it. So yeah, I'm just going to weave this in, and then we will also have to do another one, re-put the stitch marker. So I'll finish both and come back and show you. So I've done the other side of the strap as well. So both the straps, and here's how the finished product looks, if you can see. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you're able to make this project and tag me on social media if you're making it. Thank you so much.